So you want to learn how to run Facebook ads for chiropractors.
What's up guys, my name is Basir Malik and today in this video we're gonna go over exactly how I run Facebook ad campaigns for chiropractors and get them results. So my objective with this video is basically to show you in depth exactly how I set up campaigns, what objectives do I choose, and kind of go over how to do the targeting for chiropractors. I'm also going to show you the ad creatives that I'm using and how I combine them with the right ad copy that just hits the pain points. In this case would be the patients for the chiropractors and just gets them to stop scrolling their newsfeed and pay attention to your chiropractor's message. So we're going to dive into it. I'm also going to go ahead and even show you the landing pages that I'm using, the exact design, whatever I'm asking them, their name, email, everything basically from starting the campaign from scratch and getting the lead. So everything in between I'm going to show you and kind of go over each aspect of the campaign in detail. But before we do that, I just want to take 2 minutes of your time and just explain you this concept that's going to get you far ahead in your Facebook ads game. So let's talk about it. You need to understand this in depth. The problem with today's world is that there are too many choices. You can relate to it yourself, like you're watching Facebook ads videos, and I'm sure that you watch already hundreds and hundreds of other videos and other strategies. The problem now is instead of you being going and implementing that and being more clear on how to run ads, you're being more confused now. You don't know which type of strategy to choose or which will work or which is not going to work. So this is the issue with choice paradox. So essentially this is the same exact thing what happens when you are running an ad for your chiropractors. For the patients in this case, they already are getting a lot of offers, offers through Groupon or Google ads or whatsoever. So they are getting lots of different offers from lots of different chiropractors. So instead of being them more clear on which offer to go with, they are still more confused as to which offer they would take and which will give you the best value possible. So it's your job and your responsibility to design your campaigns and your content in a way that breaks through from all this clutter, makes everything really, really clear and simple for your prospect or patient to choose your offer and present your chiropractor as the authority figure in their minds and earn instant trust. So, how you can do this is by providing free value upfront, literally while researching the persona of your perfect customer, and in this case would be the patients for chiropractors. When you research their persona, what pain points they have which you want to target, which I also do when I'm writing the copywriting, so I hit the proper pain points. Once having that research, you know the pain points, you can take those pain points, ask your chiropractor to just make a video with their phone or a selfie video and explain those points and their solutions, or give out some free value. So what that does is that puts your chiropractor as an authority figure in the customers or patient's mind, and also creates a trust in them. Before you ask for anything, you're providing them free value. And that's what I am doing with my campaigns, and I'm getting literally amazing results. I'm even getting like free organic reach, like you can't believe this. I'm gonna show this everything into the video.
So let's get down to business and show you exactly how I'm running marketing campaigns for chiropractors and getting them results. Now, before I continue, I just want to lay out some basic stuff. You can skip ahead if you want, but I highly recommend that you listen to it. Now, this funnel is a 3-step funnel to get leads for chiropractors. There's no need to make it even more complex. It should be very simple. So what we are doing is we are running ads with a great offer for chiropractor on Facebook and Instagram. Once someone clicks our ad on Facebook, they land on a landing page, which is just a simple page asking them for their information like their name, email, and phone number, so our chiropractor can catch up with the leads and set up an appointment. After they input their information at the landing page, then they are redirected to a thank you page. You can put up another offer on the thank you page, and because this allows, instead of your chiropractor to chasing the leads, they would call them back. So you have to put up a very lucrative offer at the thank you page as well. That is something that you can come to arrangement with your chiropractor. So this is a 3-step funnel. This is replicatable to any traffic source, could be Google ads, whatever. So, but we are doing Facebook ads because as a digital marketer, I know Facebook is the cheapest and quickest way to get the leads for your chiropractor. Now, having that out of the way, and before going to show you exactly the ads and everything, I just want to talk about the results that I'm getting. I was running 2 campaigns, a conversion and a video views. And let's first talk about the results of a conversion campaign. So we got 157 purchases out of a $57 coupon, spent $3,514 at the front end, made with the front end offer $9,000, and that's about a ROAS of 254%. And when I talked with my client, he told me that he gets to convert about 30 to 50% of the people who walk in taking up his first offer or the front end offer into converting to long term customers. Now, the long term customers are those who take his continued consultation for about a month or 2 months to get their problems solved, obviously. So, and that's worth $600. And if even if we lowball the numbers for now and we say that he only is able to convert 20%, which I'm sure that he can convert more because I'll tell you exactly those reasons. But let's just say that he's able to convert only 20%, right? So if we take that into account and multiply this with $600, the average order value, the average value of his customer plus 8949 that he made with his front end offer, then he's making $27,789. Now that's a return on ad spend of about 790%. And that's like putting in $1 on Facebook advertisement and taking out about $8. This is extremely profitable, and this is an ideal situation even if it's at 20%. But I'm going to lay out a concept. If you understand that and if you can explain this to your chiropractors, you can go ahead and literally outbid all of your competitors and make much more than your competitors and get even better results and even better conversion rates. Now I just want to touch up on this video views campaign because I call this a local celebrity campaign. What we do is we shot 1 or 2 minute highly value packed videos. That's what I've asked my chiropractor to do. So like he just shots one or two videos on the topics such as migraine, headaches, neck pain, shoulder, and we just give this out as a free content to put my chiropractor as an authority figure in his local area. And so video views is a cheap way to get a lot of attention and give out free value, so your chiropractor becomes the authority figure in the area and also people trust him instantly. And this has been getting us, believe me or not, really amazing results because people are coming to him organically. As you can see here, his testimonial that he's saying like we are getting a lot of people coming in from online. So this is the power of sharing value before asking anything. So we are running this side by side with our conversions campaign. So the idea is this is an infographic taken from Digital Marketer. So when you try and target the cold audience, there are 3 stages. I've divided it into 3 stages. People who see your ad, when you run an ad, they are cold audience. They don't know who you are, they don't trust you. So when you run an ad with some value packed video or content, they become warm. They see the ad, they consume the content, they become warm audience. They are interested in your offer, they have seen your offer, and now they are a little bit warmer than before. Now when you put up a great offer, that's why putting up a really great offer is very, very important and fundamental in this whole funnel. When you put up an offer which creates as less of a friction as possible, they'll convert. They'll take up your offer and they'll convert, and then it's your job or your chiropractor's job to really excite them with their service, like to provide a really good service. Once they get a really good service and once they have already bought from you, when someone has taken out their credit card and invested in your product, it's very easy to get them to invest more. So they've already taken up your offer, you've delivered an amazing offer, and you've shown them with your exam, x-ray, that they have this problem, and especially it's a health related problem, so people are very conscious and they are willing to spend money to regain their optimal health. Okay, so once they take up your core offer, which is in my case it's $600 to $700, then you can upsell them with supplements and other things. And the third stage is if you provide them even better service with your core offer, they become your successful customers. They'll be happy to give you a testimonial, and you can, which is another strategy that we can use, that take those testimonials and retarget the audience who have interacted with your content and show them the results that other people have gotten. This will also increase your conversion rates and get more leads. And then successful people will talk with their friends and family if they have the same problems, and they'll recommend your chiropractor, and that's simply just free money. So let's see exactly the ad creatives. Now you can pause the video here and see how I have laid out these paragraphs and copywriting. But essentially you talk to your chiropractor, or you can go in Facebook groups such as chiropractor neck pains and see what people are talking about, what their pain points are. So you can take those and kind of use them in your copy and target exactly the pain points. Another thing is when you're running local ads, your copywriting will do your targeting as well. So in the first paragraph, I'm just calling out the pain points, so people who have those pain points would stop scrolling and see, okay, I have this problem, so I want to see what this guy is doing or what this guy is offering. And then once you stop them with calling their pain points out, you introduce yourself, who you are, and then you present your offer and a call to action, right? And after that, you just show them. You can stop here, but I like to show them exactly what they'll be getting in the offer, and then again pushing them to opt in for your offer. And that's a simple image that I'm using. You can use video. Video is much better. This is the creative for Instagram, and this is for Facebook. So this is the ad creative. It's simple, nothing so fancy, just organic stock photo would work really better, or stock video or a selfie video works much better. So this is the targeting. I'm using two methods to target. One is going specifically against the interest, like for example accident, alternative medicine, arthritis foundations, back care. What I've seen is the association works really well. For example, spinal cord association, headache associations, you can target those as well and be hyper specific. And the ad set 2, I'm actually running with literally no targeting, but excluding the chiropractors and doctors from my targeting because I don't want other chiropractors to see my advertisements. I've been getting amazing results from both of these ad sets. So you can go ahead and test both, but this is essentially the thing. So you can go and you can start off with choosing the interest. I'm going to show you a live example how you can do this, but this is the targeting that I've been using. This is the landing page. Again, nothing fancy. Main banner showing your offer, a little bit of copywriting, showing them exactly what we were talking in the ad copy to kind of get them back to their optimal health again and touch their pain points, and just asking for their name, email and phone. After that, this is the thank you page that I was talking. You can put up an offer here that, hey, get free exam or free x-ray if necessary, but just call within the 15 minutes because we are getting a lot of people. You can have that call to action here as well. After that, I was talking about the Facebook native lead form. If you don't want to go ahead and build a landing page, you can also use Facebook solution, but for this you have to choose the lead objective and lead campaign within the Facebook. So this is another example of the landing page, which is Facebook's native lead form. So I'm going to show you exactly a live example how to set this all up, and I'm also going to show you examples of offers, how to find the best working offers that literally you can replicate or take them and even make them better in your local area. So this is how you would set up the campaign. So you'll go straight away for the conversions. Sorry guys, my internet is a little bit slow. You can choose whatever name you want. For example, if you're doing it in Chicago, you can choose Chicago and then continue. I'm not gonna be writing the copy here because the video is gonna be too long. Male, female, Facebook plus Insta. So you have to choose the objective as lead here, and this is a dummy account of mine. So whatever targeting basically you're going to be using, that's something that you can write here as a name. For example, I'll also write the budget so it's easy for me to manage. So website, and the objective is leads. Then you come down here, and it's very important that you choose people who live in this location because you don't want travelers. You want to target travelers. And also, one other mistake that people always make is if the chiropractor is in Chicago, they will just go ahead and target Chicago, which is wrong because Chicago is a really big city. So instead, you should only be targeting the exact location of the chiropractor and 5-mile radius. So you just copy the address, you put it here and click search. It will find the address and just target 5 to 10 miles. If the audience at 5 miles is too small, then target 10, but mostly the 5 mile is okay. So as you see, we have 1.2 million perfect. I have seen now people, the best converting people were within the age range of 35 to 54, male and female. But you can go ahead and initially you can start from 25 to 65 plus and then see exactly who's converting and optimize the campaign later on. So as I was saying, you can then input your interests, spinal cord, click the suggestion button, and it will show you all the relevant interests. So you can just simply keep on choosing them until you have like a big audience. And I also suggest to go with as big of an audience within the 5 mile range as you can. Just go with the biggest audience. So once you do that, you've chosen your targeting, go to edit placements, remove everything, but only choose Facebook and Instagram feeds. That's about it, nothing else you need. Facebook and Instagram feeds. And guys, if you have any sorts of questions, you can put them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer you. Okay, once done, choose your budget. I usually start with $5, and then the conversion window should be 7-day click and 1-day view. That's it. Then you continue, and then comes the part of add creative. If it's an image, single image, you can choose that. If it's a single video, you can choose that. I highly recommend to choose a video. You can go ahead and choose any image that you want. I'm just choosing this random one. Okay, enter your text, whatever it is. I've already shown you the example, so you can go ahead and craft your copy just like that, targeting the pain points of your perfect customer. For that you have to do a little bit of research, but it's very important. You can join certain groups of headache and neck pains and see what people are talking about, what their main pain points are, and you can take them and create a copy around it. I'm just writing this on the top of my head, so you don't have to copy this. Put some little more time in the copy, and that's it. So your ad is ready, and you just click choose your button, should be book now or sign up. Okay, so that's it, and then you go click confirm and you're good to go. So now comes the part of showing you exactly the offers. Two best ways to look for the offers is where people are searching for offers. It's Groupon and Google. So you go on Groupon, select your city as Chicago or your own zip code, enter chiropractor, and you'll get the best performing offers. So how's that for a golden nugget? There's no need to, like go ahead and test different sorts of offers. You can find the best performing offer here and take that one, make it even better, and run that offer. So you see 190 people have bought this one, chiropractic consultation with 3 treatments, adjustments, and a take-home 10 unit. So you can run up this offer, or you can search like offers in chiropractors in Chicago, and you can see the offers. I've already written this and open up some of the people who were running ads on Google, so you can see those offers. So this one is $29 initial visits. Another example is you can go on Ad Espresso, add examples, and you can write need chiropractor, neck pain, or whatever, and it will show you the offers that people are running currently, so you can replicate them as well. So this is it. That's how you set up a campaign. That's how you can find the successful offers. This is what I'm doing to get amazing results. So I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, put a comment below if you have any questions, and also please subscribe my channel. I'll be putting out value packed videos just like this one, showing you the exact case studies and results that I've been getting with all sorts of different clients in different niches.